Casey, you want to see the doggies? She's good. She's trying to push the door open. It's okay because I have the kennels in front of it anyway. So. What are you doing? Yeah. I she might be able to get up, but it's gonna be good.
Put your finger in Tommy's cage.
What's up, guys?
Look, this is Pebbles. Pebbles is that?
I gotta clean these guys. Who knows?
Come here. Leo, come here. No fingers.
What's up, Case? What you doing? Whoa. Don't put that in there. He'll rip it to pieces. Oh.
That's Pebbles.
Yep.
Hi.
Hello.
Where's Pebbles' mom?
Pebbles' mom is inside. That's Lucy. You want to see Lucy? We'll go inside and let Lucy run around.
Why is she inside?
Because they're usually all inside, but because the baby. Okay, no problem. We're gonna go right now.
He licked me.
He's licking you? Okay.
He licked me.
It's sticky? Okay. What?
She put her hand
What?
on me.
Outside right now?
No.
Where are the other ones?
They're all inside. Lucy's inside.
Who else? Is anyone else inside?
You like whole wheat? She's cool.
Anyone else inside?
Just Lucy.
Yeah.
What is the only dogs you have?
Uh-huh. Yep. Alright. What's up, Tommy?
Can I have one?
You can have Lucy. You guys can have Lucy if Daddy lets you have Lucy. What's up, Nolly? Hey, I didn't say hello. Hi.
Where we go? I want Pebbles' sister.
Yeah, she's cool. I like it. You like her?